I'm Blessing and welcome back to my channel.
And make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello everyone. So me and Ro are getting ready to go to IKEA to get a few things for the apartment because my apartment actually looks bare. It doesn't really, but it could be better.
Sound right, boys.
I want to buy a candle, but it doesn't feel right buying a candle after I've spent £50 on making one. But don't watch me too close.
Because we wanted a luxurious lifestyle.
You think I have no space? There's not a sofa for me.
There is.
You thought wrong.
Shout out to IKEA. They put you. You think I should do a sideways? Oh my god, it's a cushion. You're wondering, what do I see? I see pain deep within you. I see a little girl lost amongst the shadows. Wait, she is a shadow because she's black.
You're racist. Episode 556, waiting for Rosie to pick a plant.
No, none of them were doing what I needed them to do. Look how big the section is for fake plants. And more over here, fake. Once again, we're not fake around here, sweetheart.
Those videos that tell you, like, bring bedding before you come to Korea, they mean it. Because you will probably be paying, what, maybe 50 quid? For a double bedding piece?
Double bedding?
Double bedding piece, and it's not nice. Wait. What is this one even? Is this single? This is single. Tonight, me and Ro are going to the Grand Hyatt. It is our friendship anniversary, 1 year. I put sparkles and things. And I got this new top from Doll's Kill. And I don't know if it's meshing to mesh too much and just like clinging to all my fat rolls and flaps. But then I thought, you know what? Fuck it. No matter what I wear, I'm going to look like how I look. So why not give it to the kids? But I will show you the Grand Hyatt when I get there. It's a 5-star hotel, guys. I know you're thinking I'm bougie, but I am, and I can't help it. But see you when I get there. So this is the room. It comes with, it doesn't come with her. You've got it, it's so nice. And we've got a riverside view. Well, we can't see anything right now because it's dark. But I'm sure in the morning, oh, it's gonna be raining. I'm sure if it was sunny, it'd be gorgeous.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say,
Guys, so just came back from the staycation at the Grand Hyatt to celebrate me and Rose first anniversary of like being in Korea and being friends for a year, and it's really pleasant. Like it's a very luxurious hotel. I really enjoyed my stay. And then we went to Itaewon to get some brunch, and you'll never guess who I saw. I saw DPR live. Again, like, he's following me quite clearly, even though it's been like 5 years since we've last seen each other. I didn't say hello because we were already in the taxi, so I don't want to back to the taxi woman. Stop, I've got to say hello to this person who doesn't actually know me, but it's so weird that like, who you bump into here. And in Hongdae, I've seen like a few like models and celebrities and stuff, so these past few weeks, like maybe I'm just meant to be in his inner circle. I think that's exactly what it is. But I had a really good time, and thank you for watching this week's vlog. Please like, comment and subscribe.